Okay, so last year in September around this area, I harvested about I don't know, 2 or 3 handfuls of cranberries from the forest, just going around picking up a little bit. And then over the winter, I put them in vodka and water mixture here, and I let it extract out through the alcohol, and it's about probably 20% alcohol. And we'll go ahead and start filtering it, filtering out the old berries. So this is a way to make cranberry juice. Of course, it's probably about 15% alcohol, and if you want to reduce the alcohol, you can add more water later. But if you don't want to have any alcohol in it in the beginning, you can probably boil the cranberries in water, and you can get the same type of result. Smells really good. No sugar added. It's a little bit of a vodka taste. Whoa, too much. But there we have cranberry juice from the forest. You know, if you pick more and you do more of this, then of course you can have a higher, you can have several bottles of this stuff. So quite a nice color. All right.